Hey, what up? Thanks for joining me. I was struggling with how to write a description for one of the videos, and it occurred to me that because my channel is all about AI, well, our channel, it's the, Be Curious crew. Like, what we're trying to do is be on top of this technology, find use cases, help people use it for their businesses, and just generally learn something fascinating in a really rapidly changing environment. It made sense to me that if I am struggling with what I should title my YouTube videos, how I should thumbnail them, and how I should write their description, I need to start investigating what tools are out there. I know the big one is GPT-3, right? So OpenAI, and I can easily go there and generate some text, but I was curious if anybody had taken GPT-3 and tried to customize it or train it in an additional layer on something that would help with YouTube descriptions. But the first thing that came up, and this is completely not sponsored, I'm just doing this out of my own desire to try the tools that are out there, this company called WriteSonic. So in my news section yesterday, I investigated this cool, sort of AI-driven movie, right? And it was called Salt. CNN covered it. I went in and kind of watched the storyline, super cool in its own right. But when it came to titling the video, I don't know what to do really. Like, we have a reacting channel too, so I used kind of that as part of the title, and then that was part of I wanted to put the name of the person who wrote the article from CNN, and then the part above the CNN where it's actually got the salt emoji, that was pretty much from the Twitter. But realistically, I didn't create kind of my own vibe for the title and description. I generated the image using Midjourney, and I typed in, I think something like 70. I just typed in 70s sci-fi. I think it's time to start investigating the description. I would like this channel to actually almost exclusively use AI tools where possible, because that's what I want to experiment with. And if one of these videos does happen to ever get any traction, we have 50 subs right now, but if it ever goes anywhere, it'd be interesting to know, okay, which tool did I use? How did I generate that title and things like that? So this is the very first step. I have no idea how successful we'll be, but I'm only going to investigate one tool today just in the interest of time, but I'll keep, if you're out there, if you're actually watching this and you have a suggestion, feel free to let me know in the comments. But for now, I found WriteSonic just from doing a YouTube search and watching another video. I will walk through my experience. I have my video filmed, I have it edited, I have it uploaded, I even have a thumbnail. So this is a great time to see if I can come up with a better title and a better description. Okay, so let's just create new project name. Okay, YouTube 70s sci-fi. Hopefully they kind of customized it in different ways that make it more convenient for people who are trying to do YouTube descriptions versus other types of content writing, compared to GPT, which is a more generic kind of interface. Because I do see tweet generator and Instagram captions, which is a good start. There we go. YouTube intros and YouTube descriptions and YouTube hooks. Oh my God, do I need a hook? Is that a problem? Let's just exploring here for a second. But yeah, they do general stories, rewrite with keywords. So I guess you can just say, all right, I have some content here, but now I want to rank differently. So rewrite it so it's the same. Song lyrics. Dude, song lyrics, they're too fun to write. I don't want to outsource that to an AI yet. Okay, so YouTube description version 2 and YouTube intros version 2 and YouTube hooks. Generate catchy YouTube hooks to make your video stand out. Okay, so I guess let's just investigate all three. What I might need a title. Is that what a hook is? Maybe a hook's a title. Okay, so my balance is 2,000 premium words. How many words can you put in here? So we can have 5,000 characters. So I have 2,500 premium words left. By the way, like I said, not sponsored, but I signed up. It asked for my email and my username, but it has not asked me for a credit card yet. So I got to admit that was nice. I expected something like put your credit card in first and then cancel in 30 days or whatever, but they didn't do that to their credit. So, okay, so I'm just going to modify this title I had yesterday. So AI generated 70s sci-fi Twitter movie, or does anyone even care if it's 70s sci-fi? AI generated Twitter movie? I think that's all that matters, because nobody's going to be like, oh, I was only looking for AI generated 70s movies, not, rom-coms or whatever, but let's start with that. So it's an AI generated Twitter movie, whatever that means. Tone of the voice, dramatic, excited. Yeah, why not? Dramatic sounds good to me. Funny, maybe? Educational? Yeah, let's try dramatic. KDE language is English, obviously. Quality type. Yeah, nobody wants the like, why even put this? Does it cost less money for the economy quality? That's so stupid. Like, the whole thing right now is that AI is already, like, everything feels economy. Like, is anything premium? It's rare to generate an image that even looks like a human and has the right amount of fingers on it. It's rare to write a story that's coherent. So yeah, let's take premium. I don't even know how bad economy would be. Okay. Oh, because these are titles. Gotcha. So, okay, so these, I guess, are the hook. I assume hook means title, so I'm guessing these are my title. I wanted to see what would happen if I let artificial intelligence generate a movie script. That's interesting, but it's absolutely not what I did. The results were surprisingly entertaining. I never would have guessed a movie generated by AI could be so good. Yeah, it's probably better than what I had. If you're curious, which I am, about what an AI-generated movie would be like, then you need to watch this. God, that's killer, man. Isn't that good? Dude, is that better than if you're curious? No, it's too long. It's not perfect. It feels... I'm impressed, though. Glad I went premium. If you're curious about what an AI-generated movie would look like, then you need to watch this. So I like that. Okay, so I have up to 100 characters. It is under that, but maybe that's a little bit long. This Twitter movie was created entirely by artificial intelligence, maybe a little shorter. I trained an AI to generate a Twitter movie. I didn't do anything. Watch as an AI creates a Twitter movie that will make you laugh, cry, and think. That seems really good too. This AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. Wow. These seem like really good titles. This Twitter movie was completely generated by artificial intelligence. I let the AI create a Twitter movie, and then the results amazing. I didn't do anything, so we're not gonna use that. You won't believe the Twitter movie that artificial intelligence created. Maybe just period. I gave an AI free reign to make a movie. No, so none of that. But this AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. Now that one, probably better than the other because it just feels like it fits. I think I'll go with title case. This AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. Maybe. What else did I like? So I think this one's my best. Watch as an AI creates a Twitter movie that will make you laugh, cry, and think. The movie that is in this video that we watched, Twitter movie, it did make me think. It was mysterious. I did not laugh. Maybe some people could cry. It'll make you feel mysterious, cry, and think. Watch as an AI creates a Twitter movie that will make you wonder, cry, and think. AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. I don't know. Feel like this one might get the clicks. I have no idea why. My gut instinct is saying that's a pretty good one. Okay, so I'm impressed. I think that helped me. I feel like I made an improvement over what I originally had. I'm going to go with this AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. It seems simple. It's like half the words I put in there, but I'll take it. So now can we go back and generate the description? AI-generated Twitter movie. Okay, so let's go. We got our hook. Okay, so I'm guessing the hook is just like a short paragraph before the longer description because it's saying it's only 200 characters. So I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, so this, maybe I'll use my other title here that's not going to make it into my main title as the main video title. I have to add the hook or it's going to generate that for me? No, generate my hook. Oh, how about I just do this then? And we make it dramatic again. Thought we were generating hooks. Let's see what we got. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a Twitter movie that was created by an AI. That would work. This movie is unlike anything you've seen before. It will make you laugh, cry, and think. Well, look, what are you talking about? There is no laughing. I said wonder, cry, and think. Why would you say laugh, cry, and think? Anyways, I guarantee that you've never seen anything like it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a Twitter movie that was created by an AI. This movie is so realistic. It will make you wonder, cry, and think. So sit back and relax, okay? It's super not realistic yet, so let's not say that one. Not that it would know that, though. It's a decent title. It's not going to really understand the context of the video. Hey, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you something really amazing. I recently came across this Twitter movie that was created by an AI, and it's really something else. It's emotional, it's thought-provoking, and it will definitely make you think. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Cool. So that is now going to be my hook. And look, I have over 2,000 premium words left, so not bad. I haven't even busted out the old credit card yet. Unlike Dream Studio and Dolly, everyone else is nickel and diamond me to death in this industry. So let's go to the description. So my video title I have already. This AI generated Twitter movie is a must-see. AI generated community narrative sci-fi film. AI generated, might as well put in 70s sci-fi film. Twitter movie, for whatever that's worth. That's what's kind of weird about it. Or like Twitter story or Twitter narrative or something. How about that? Using AI to make a movie. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but here's my video title. This AI generated Twitter movie is a must-see. My keywords are AI generated, 70s sci-fi film, Twitter movie, using AI to make a movie. I don't know. Hopefully that'll be good enough. Let's use up some of these premium keywords. Oh, not quite as long as it. Can I change the length? I'd like something that's like 1,000 characters. What are these buttons? Use that. We used AI to create a 70s sci-fi film and the results are amazing. I didn't do that, but we could tweak that. The movie is set in a world where Twitter is the only form of communication. That's not a description, but now I love this for a whole nother reason. And it's up to a group of characters to save the day. We can't wait to see what you think about it. Set in the future, in a world where Twitter is the only way to communicate. 70s sci-fi film. I love that. That is ridiculous and would probably make a great premise for a comedy. I love it. But it's definitely not good for my description, but hilarious in its own right. Now I want to make a movie where the only way to communicate is in Twitter in the 1970s. This AI generated Twitter movie is a must-see. We used AI to create a 70s sci-fi film and the results are amazing. The movie is full of suspense, action, and drama. And it's all thanks to the power of AI. I kind of like that line. So if you're a fan of sci-fi, okay, the movie is set in a world where Twitter decides the next step in the storyline. So the movie is set in a world where a Twitter poll, AI generated movie must see. The Twitter community used AI to create a 70s sci-fi film. This Twitter community used AI to create a 70s sci-fi film and the results are amazing. Yeah, they were pretty good. Pretty amazing. Amazing in the sense that it was created on Twitter. I'll take that. That's fine. The Twitter movie is full of suspense, action, and drama, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. So if you're a fan of sci-fi or movies in general, you need to check this out. Text to image models like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. Okay, so I glued together some things and I came up with the movie is set in a world where Twitter polls decide the storyline. This Twitter community used AI to create a 70s sci-fi film, and the results are amazing. The Twitter movie is full of suspense, action, and drama, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. So if you are a fan of sci-fi or text-to-image models like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion, you need to check this out. Exclamation point. Okay, but since I still have a decent amount of premium words left, I think we should go investigate if AI article writer would be good. What's that? With minimal input, write the best quality long form content, but that's just GPT-3. I'm wondering if they have something that's more, See, I think articles will have like bullets and titles. I just kind of like want one kind of chunk of text. Quora answers, that's interesting. Gosh, imagine building like a Quora competitor and just having the whole thing just generated. Coming soon. I guess article writer might be the right thing. Whatever. It's new. Let's try. I like all new things. Switch to the long form. Oh, long form plan. So you probably want money from me to do anything long form. Ah, I see. Maybe that's part of it. Keeping it short form because I haven't paid yet. Oh, paragraph writer. Yay. Okay, here's a paragraph writer. This is what I wanted. All right, so for my paragraph, I'm going to say AI writes a 70s sci-fi film with the help of a Twitter community. Okay, so let's take this and maybe make some tweaks. So I have no idea why it picked 2017 when that's not what year it is. AI developed a sci-fi together with community, yes. Purpose of this project was to develop new techniques for generating content and writing in a collaborative way. That's pretty much true, I think. AI selected 10 people from the community. No, voted on by people from the community. The goal was to create something that could be shared and watched by the community. Yeah, that's fine. And it was an interesting experiment that brought AI closer to its goal of democratizing the creation of content. Okay, so sci-fi films are a staple of any movie buff's repertoire. I agree with that. But in recent years, the genre has been on the rise. I have no idea. I doubt it. This is thanks to filmmakers like who brought whole new audiences. Oh, maybe. All right, actually, why not? Just leave that. Okay, and now one group is working to give into a new edge. Twitter users. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so we have to get rid of all of that. The film was not crowdfunded, but the film was made entirely with the help of social media. That's sort of true because it's all on Twitter. That's totally wrong. As AI continues to evolve, there's no shortage of projects that are looking to explore its potential uses. But one of the most ambitious is the sci-fi film project, which aims to use the power of AI to create a new classic. Okay, I like it so far. The project called Project 71, called Project Salt was created by, what's that guy's name? Fabian, I think. Yeah, this guy, Fabian Stelzer. The project called Project Salt, which was created by Fabian Stelzer, wanted to explore how, yeah, he did want to do that. All right, I think that'll do it for now. Okay, well, realistically, I don't know how much it helped. I mean, I'm going to keep playing with it simply because this is a curiosity of mine. If I was in some other genre on YouTube, like Andre on Finance or something, I doubt I would use it because honestly, it took as much time to sort of generate and tweak as it probably would have to just write up something. I'm not sure it was like that much better, but like bouncing ideas off of a friend as you're writing it, I felt like there was a small advantage. Yeah, there you go. I never put my credit card in. I got some cool stuff out of it. If you feel like it's a maybe for you, why don't you go check out WriteSonic. Final look, this AI-generated Twitter movie is a must-see. I'd say it's better. I think I made an improvement. If you look at it compared to this other stuff I've been writing, it does look better. Already got 2 views in only 3 hours. Dude, keep up that pace. It will do about average, actually.